Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a sick panda in Minecraft. Let's get into it. First, find a sick panda. The first step is to look for a panda that behaves differently from the others. You need to be able to tell which one is not feeling well. You may walk around the jungle area and look for a panda that has a sad face or a runny nose. Watch how it moves. Sick pandas often sit still or look like they are crying. Because you cannot help until you find the right animal. You have to look closely at their faces. Without this step, you might miss the chance to help the one in need during your game. Next, gather some bamboo. You need to find the favorite food that all pandas love to eat. This is the main thing they need to stay strong. Look for the tall green sticks growing near the trees. Use your hand or a tool to break the stalks and pick them up into your bag. Food is the best medicine in the game. You need to have plenty of bamboo ready. It ensures that when you find the panda, you have exactly what it needs to start feeling better right away. Next, feed the panda. Now you are going to give the food to the sick panda so it can eat and get its strength back. Walk up to the panda while holding the bamboo in your hand for the fix. Press the button to feed the panda and watch for the small hearts to appear. This is the most important part because eating helps the animal grow and stay healthy. By giving it bamboo, you are helping its body fix itself. It is the key step to getting the right output and making sure the panda stops being sick and starts being happy again. You can also plant some of the bamboo in the ground around the panda. This is the final step because animals need a good home to stay well. Planting extra food makes sure the panda can eat whenever it wants in the future. Once the hearts appear and the panda looks happy, your job is done. And that's it. To fix a sick panda in the latest version of the game, you must first find a sick panda by looking for a sad face. Then, you gather some bamboo from the jungle nearby. Next, you feed the panda until you see hearts. Finally, you plant more food so it stays healthy forever. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.